Welcome to online learning program of MSBTE, Learning at Your Doorstep. I am Professor Deepak Kulkarni, Head of Electronics and Telecommunication Department from KVM Polytechnic, Mumbai. Welcome you all on the presentation of Digital Factory, in which we will focus on Internet of Things, that is IoT. After completion of this presentation, the learners would be able to compare the features of IoT and IIoT. In this presentation, we will focus on introduction to IIoT and comparison of IoT with IIoT. As we can see in this slide, both the IoT and IIoT have the same main character of availability, intelligent and connected devices. The only difference between these two is in their general usage. As we can see in this slide, IoT is most commonly used for household usage or for commercial sector, whereas IIoT is more for industrial purpose such as manufacturing, supply chain monitoring and management system. Both of them have a common features of data management, connectivity, data security and secure cloud, but both of them have the major difference in their application zones, one for commercial and household usage and other for industrial sector. Before looking in detail about the comparisons of IoT and IIoT, let us see what is Industrial Internet of Things, that is IIoT. The Industrial Internet of Things, that is IIoT, refers to the extension and the use of Internet of Things in industrial sectors and applications. With a strong focus on machine-to-machine communication, big data and machine learning, the IIoT enables industries and enterprises to have better efficiency and reliability in their operations. The IIoT encompasses industrial applications, including robotics, medical devices, and software-defined production processes. The IIoT goes beyond the normal consumer devices and internetworking of physical devices, usually associated with IoT. It is the network of multitude of industrial devices connected by communication technologies that results in systems which can monitor, collect, exchange, analyze, and deliver valuable new insights that we have seen never before. These insights can then help to drive smarter, faster business decisions for industrial companies. By combining machine-to-machine communication with industrial big data analytics, IIoT is driving unprecedented levels of efficiency, productivity and performance. As a result, industrial companies in the original equipment manufacturing, chemicals, food and beverages, automotive, steel and many other industries are experiencing transformative operational and financial benefits. That means by taking all the advantages and benefits of IoT to have more efficiency and reliability, the IIoT was evolved, which made the industries to become more smarter and take faster decisions for the business due to the changes in the market. At this level, the students can attempt MCQ Set 1. Now let us focus only on the comparisons of IIoT and IoT. The different points of concentrations are area of focus, focus development, security and risk measures, interoperability, scalability, precision and accuracy, programming, ability, output, resilences and maintenance. These are the parameters on which we would like to compare IIoT and IoT. If we start with the first one, area of focus, IIoT is more focusing on industrial applications. That means all industrial applications are built up by using IIoT, or the evolution of IIoT was for industrial purpose only. Whereas IoT will be used for general applications as well as for the consumable items. So IIoT was having the basic focus on industrial systems, whereas IoT was having a basic focus on smart devices development. If we compare on the basis of risk and security measures, in IIoT it was advanced and robust measures taken for security so that the risk would be reduced. Whereas in IoT, this parameter was utility centric. That means it depends upon what utility was developed or what product was developed. Accordingly, the security and risk were taken into consideration. If we talk about the interoperability, IIoT was having the CPS, that is cyber physical systems integrated, whereas in IoT it was altogether an autonomous ability over there. Scalability, as far as the scale was concerned, the manufacturing process was concerned, the product designing was concerned, IoT was focusing on large scale networks because it was mainly for industrial applications, whereas IoT was developed for only a low scale network. The precision and accuracy in IoT, it was synchronized with milliseconds, so it was highly accurate and highly precise, whereas in IoT they were critically monitored, and whenever it was required they would be properly taken into consideration. Programmability in IoT, it was remote on-site programming. That means the changes or the programming must be done in the implementation site, whereas in case of an IoT it could be done off-site, so it made off-site programming very easy and comfortable. The output in case of IIoT was operational efficiency because it was majorly focusing on industrial applications, whereas in IoT it was convenient output produced, and the output that was coming from the devices were utilized to a larger scale. Resilience, in case of IoT, the fault tolerance was heavily required, whereas in case of IoT, and it was not an industrial based standard, it was not required in those cases. Maintenance, in IIoT, the maintenance was scheduled and planned. Okay, whereas in case of IoT, it depends upon the consumer when to do the maintenance of that particular smart device. But IIoT required a scheduled and planned maintenance so that the industry would work with higher efficiency and good productivity. These are some of the parameters on which the IIoT and IoT were compared. Now at this level, students can attempt MCQ Set 2. So at the end of the presentation, the learners would have able to find out the differences between IoT and IIoT. Thank you and have a smart learning.